Ever wonder how clean your floors really are? You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwhal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwhal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwhal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwhal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwhal is totally self-cleaning. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwhal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwhal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwhal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwhal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwhal will make you wish you'd found it sooner. Narwhal is built by a dedicated team of engineers and visionaries.
I got the idea to build Narwhal when I saw my mom struggling with mopping housework every day. So I decided to build a robot to help her and everyone in the world. We hope you can support us.
If you've ever flown a drone, you know how great it feels. You pull the levers and suddenly you're flying your own tiny plane. It's exciting. This is Metafly. And flying it is exciting on a completely different level. Like on a scale of 1 to 10, it's level 11 exciting. Maybe even 12. Metafly has wings that enable it to fly just like winged animals do. So it can maneuver just like winged animals do. Technically, it's not a drone. It's an ornithopter. But really, it's more than that. It's a Metafly. Metafly flies using a unique method called biomimetics, denoting synthetic methods that mimic natural processes. You know how a bird flies into your house and can navigate around everything without hitting anything? Metafly can do that, because it mimics the natural movement of the bird with its synthetic wings. See what we did there? That's science explaining awesomeness. Metafly flies just like in nature. It can take turns, fly slow or fast, and can maneuver around anything. It can also glide and be controlled to glide left and right. With those abilities, Metafly is one of the few RC flying objects that can actually fly in small spaces. Here it is flying in an office. Here it is flying in a house. Here it is flying in an even smaller house. Outdoors, Metafly can enjoy its full speed. By changing the direction of its tail, Metafly can fly faster when its tail is down, or more controllable when it's up. Due to its 2-channel remote control that allows for further range, no interference, and maximum control, you can fly Metafly super fast towards those dense trees, and then maneuver between them like only a Metafly can. Now that's even level 13 exciting. Oh, and don't worry about crashing. Metafly has elastic wings and legs, in addition to both front and back bumpers to protect its body. Take that, tree! Metafly is the result of more than 40 years of research and development. Edwin, an aeronautical engineer and the creator of Metafly, got into the field after his grandfather, this cool dude, created the first successful mechanic bird together with Edwin's father. Much later, Edwin himself successfully crowdfunded and delivered Bionic Bird. Now, he's diving even deeper into the world of biomimetics to take flight abilities even further. So if you want to fly just like animals in nature do, get Metafly and get ready to immerse yourself in an experience like no other. Metafly.
Working with electronics can be a mess. The same goes for robotics. Dealing with mechanics, electronics, and programming all together at the same time may cause everything to fall apart. Which is why we designed and developed Active Puzzle, a simple language for playing with electronics and for building cute robots. So what is Active Puzzle? It's an exciting 3D puzzle game where each piece has an electronic function. Combine pieces, create robots. For 8 years, we've been trying to challenge children with science and technology ideas, but there were always language barriers. Besides, kids just wanted to play a lot more than they wanted to learn. So we finally discovered the first game that allows them to express their ideas in a universal language. Puzzles, the language they learn before they start talking. So be active. Support Active Puzzle.
Say hello to One Mini, the first of its kind pocket multilingual assistant that was made for every lifestyle, allowing you to record memorable moments and preserve your voice between lines, giving you language barrier-free communication anywhere, anytime.
So, we will look at the impact of globalization.
One key recording is impossibly handy. Dual far-field microphone enables superior speech recognition.
The study I found is very interesting.
Push to record, multilingual transcription comes out smoothly in real time. No need to play back, just copy and paste. Say goodbye to humdrum typing. For simple and short conversations, AI translation is incredibly intelligent and easy to use.
Excusez-moi. Vous savez comment vous rendre au musée national?
Do you know how to get to the National Museum?
One button away, your language comes out universally meaningful.
Quiero un helado muy muy grande. 我要一个超大的甜筒冰淇淋。
For professional and complex conversations, One Mini puts live interpreters in the palm of your hand.
This is One Mini Interpreter. Can I help you?
The Model 79 needs to be polished.
モデル79は売り切れで、3月前に3000枚欲しいです。
Can you ensure?
割引がありますか？
大丈夫です。お使いになると思います。
你好， 你们要吃点什么？
Do you speak English?
This is one mini interpreter. Can I help you?
I want a double flavor pot, mildly spicy, a big platter of the sliced beef, sesame paste as dripping sauce, and an ice cold beer.
I'm allergic to shrimps. Any local cuisine for recommendation?
这位客人要一份鸳鸯锅，微辣，一份大份牛肉，芝麻蘸酱。
好了，没问题。
Powered by AI and humanity, One Mini is your omnipotent personal translator, making everywhere in the world just like your home. One Mini always accompanies wherever life takes you. It allows you to communicate effortlessly and makes everyday life worth remembering. A pocket multilingual assistant for recording and communicating.